I'm Katharine Tuckerman with Brown Harris Stevens, and welcome to 944 Park Avenue. This palatial 9-room apartment is 3,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. And one of the best part about this building, it's one of the very few true pre-war condominiums on Park Avenue. No fussy board here. This expansive 4-bedroom apartment occupies the entire 7th floor and features its own private elevator vestibule and other pre-war details such as high beam ceilings and beautiful herringbone floors. I'm standing here in the dining room, which is so grand. It's one of my favorite rooms in the apartment because most 1920s buildings, you're facing a brick wall in the dining room. Here you get unobstructed open views and so much sunlight. Here I am now in the oversized living room, which measures 30 by 18 feet. It features 3 windows overlooking Park Avenue and a wood-burning fireplace. Once again, I'm Katharine Tuckerman with Brown Harris Stevens. Please come visit us at 944 Park Avenue, one of Park Avenue's premier pre-war condos.